Good morning everyone, my name is Luke and here we are again, another day, another vlog. This is my daily routine if I'm going to work. Before anything else, we need to eat breakfast first. And I enjoy having meals with my friends and they enjoyed it too. After that, I brush my teeth. This is my daily routine if I'm going to work. Even if I'm far from my family, I will face it for the sake of my future. After brushing my teeth, I took a bath. This is my life here in Japan. Japan is the best beautiful place. I will show you about here in Japan how beautiful it is. Even in the convenience store, very convenient, around very clean. After taking a bath, I got dressed and prepared to go to work. Yes, you heard it right. I work here as a welder here in Japan. Before going to work, take a minute. I'm going to coffee and then I show you around here in Japan. It's a beautiful and clean around here. In every street, I don't see any trash here. And here in Japan, time is gold. That's why every train is always on the time. I mean, they arrive on time. If you don't want to be late, go ahead early so you won't miss the train. Because the train has a fixed schedule for what time it arrives. Very convenient, right? By the way, this is what I take to go to work. I'm now at the locker and I've changed into my work clothes. Now I'm ready to work and this is where I work. This is our area.